we'll be talking about nature.
All right, for today, yes, we are going to be talking about nature. This is Panda Bear Pooh, and that is Slimy Panda.
What up?
And right now, we are going to be talking about the big bush. All right, the big bush grows in the rainforest. Okay, I don't know if it's an abiotic factor or a biotic factor. I forgot what's the difference. I think biotic factor means living, and I think abiotic means not living. So just comment down below and tell me. Next, we're going to be starting with the mini swamp. Yes, this was a little swamp. I do not know how it was grown or anything. I don't really know.
I made it.
Yeah, Slimy Panda, my bad, made this. I actually have no idea. Let's move on.
A piece of ground and water for a long time.
Oh,
I
okay.
do that every day for a little while.
All right, moving on to a special plant that no one will know about. Yes, special edition. It is the tree. All right, this is a very special plant because it also has holes by the aliens from outer space. But guess where it grows? It grows in the desert. Yes, that is right. It is the desert.
And there's actually two limited plants. This plant is so rare, no one has ever seen it before. It's called the house.
Yes, the house is a very rare plant on Earth, okay? And a lot of people, they really want to see one. I mean, it's really a rare plant. I mean, it takes a lot of stuff to make it grow. I mean, you need wood, you need seeds, and that's about it. You just have to plant it in the concrete, watch it grow. Woo! So comment down below and subscribe and like if you liked it. Duh. And maybe comment down below on what vlog I should do. Yes, that's Slimy Panda. I keep saying panda. Why do I keep? I keep trying to say Panda Bear Pooh. But yes. Also comment down below on what vlog you think I should do next. And remember, Slimy Panda.